Bismillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we are talking about order whole numbers and decimals. How we can order the whole numbers and the decimals. If remember when we compare between the two decimal numbers, just please listen to me. When I finish explaining, then we will use the book. When we finish explaining, we will use the book. Just 1 minute. If you want to compare any two numbers, two decimal numbers, all what we have to do, just suppose that we have a number 5.23. We need to compare it between 4.78. How we can compare between them? How we can compare between them? Walid, what is the answer?
The answer is 5. The decimal point 23 is greater than.
How we can compare between them? At the first, look at the number before the decimal point. Now we have 5 is greater than 4, so we can say that 5.23 is greater than 4.78. Thanks, Walid. Suppose that we have two numbers like 5.23 and 5.7. How we can compare between them? Yusuf. How we can compare between the two numbers? Yusuf, what is the answer? Yusuf is not here. Hamza.
5.7 is greater.
How we can compare? We have to put 0 to complete the decimal. At the first, we have here 5 and 5 they are the same. So we have here 2 digits and we have 1 digit, so we can complete it with the 0. So we have 23 and 70. 70 is greater than. That is the way of comparing. So we'll use the same way in ordering numbers. So suppose that we have 3 numbers like 5.12, 5.1, 5.23. How we can arrange, how we can order the number from the least to the greatest? We need to find the smallest number, then the greatest number. At the first, we look at the number before the decimal. Before the decimal, we'll find that we have 5, 5, and 5. All of the numbers are the same. But after the decimal, we have 2 digits. Now we have 1 digit, 2 digits. So we need to make all of them 2 digits by completing the 0. So now we have 10, 12, 10, and 23. So the smallest number is 10 because we need to arrange from least to the greatest. After that, 12. After that, 23. So the order now will be 5.1. The next is 5.12. The next is 5.23. Again, at the first, we look at the whole number. If the whole number are the same, then we count how many digits are the right. If they are different, complete the missing with 0. Then we can compare. Find the smallest number, then after that the next, then the next number. Is there any problem for this point? If you didn't understand this point, please raise your hand. I didn't ask any question. I didn't ask anyone to solve anything. Just my question is, if you didn't understand how we can arrange, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand how we can arrange, please raise your hand. Okay, so all the points are clear. So now we can open the book. Open your book, please, page 56. Open your book, please, page 56. Muhammad Amir. Muhammad Amir? Yes, I opened the mic for you, Muhammad Amir. Okay. So question number 1, who can solve it with me? Question number 1, we need to order each of the following number from least to the greatest. From least to the greatest. Malik. from least to the greatest. Malik. The first weight is 56.7. After that, 64.3, 59.0, 64.5. We need to arrange from the smallest to the greatest. Malik. What is the least one? What is the smallest? Malik. Malik is not here. Hamza.
Uh, 63.3.
That is the smallest number.
64.5.
Just 1 minute. 63. There is no 63. We are solving question number 1. Question number 1.
64.3.
That is the smallest number.
64.5.
That is the smallest number.
59.
59 is the smallest number, or the next number?
Smallest.
The smallest number. So we'll erase this one. I'll put that one.
Then 56.7.
Where is 56? There is no 56. 56 this one? That's number 2?
Yes.
Okay. Then
64.3.
Okay. Then
64.5.
That's the order. Do you have any other answer? If this answer is right or wrong? If this answer right or wrong? Yusuf Khattabi. This answer is right or wrong?
This one, it's wrong, Master.
Why it's wrong?
Because the first one is 56.7.
Yes, that is the smallest number, 56.7.
And then 59.0.
Yes, that is the first number, and that would be the second number. After that, all of them are right.
64.
Because if you want to arrange them, at the first look at the number before the decimal, 56, and now we have here 64, 59, and 64. 56 is the smallest number. Then 59. Then now we have 264. But 64.3 is smaller than 64.5. So the first number would be 56.7. And the next 59.0. The next will be 64.3. The next 64.5. Thanks, Yusuf. Any problem for the first one? Who can solve with me question number 2? Question number 2. Malik. Malik, question number 2.
Question number 2 is
I need from least to the greatest, the smallest number to the greatest number.
0.09.
Okay.
0.24.
Okay.
0.63.
Yes.
0.76.
Perfect. Any problem? If you didn't understand this question, please raise your hand. So the answer now would be 0.09, that's the first one. Then 0.24. After that 0.63, 0.76. Because all of the numbers before the decimal point are the same. So we look at the number after the decimal point. After the decimal point, the smallest number is 9. After that, 24. Then 63. Then the last one would be 76. Then we need Walid. Walid, solve with me question number 3.
Okay. We must put the first. The first is we must add because the first one is 1 digit and the second
1 digit. So we need to complete all of the zeros. So it will be easy if I write it vertical. So I will
Okay,
write
right.
8.9. I will put all of the point under each other. The second
And
is,
you must put 2 zeros because
yes, I will complete the zeros now. To find the missing 705 and 8.05. Now we need to complete the zeros. How many
You
zeros
must
missing? For the first
first
one,
must put 2 0,
the second,
1 0,
1 0, the third,
no 0,
the fourth,
1 0.
1 0. So if you look before the decimal point, all of them are 8, so all of them are equal.
Yes.
So now we need to compare. Now 900, 590, 705, and 50. Which one is the
You must-
smallest one?
The smallest one is 0 and 50.
That is the smallest one, 50. After that,
After that, 590.
yes, the next will be,
705.
yes, the next will be,
900.
yes, perfect. Thanks, Farid. So I will write that. Oh, the first number will be 8.05. The second would be 8.59. The third would be 8.705. The last one will be 8.9. So question number 4. Who can solve with me question number 4? Tamer. Hamad Tamer.
Yes, Master.
Solve with me question number 4.
Yes. 0 point. No.
At the first, we need to complete the missing zero. Is there any missing zeros?
Missing 0.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yes.
After the 9.
There is 1 0 here, and there is 1 0 here after 8. So what is the smallest number
Yeah.
now?
Now the smallest number is 1.35.
So I will rewrite the number. If there is any problem for writing the number, at the first write all of the number vertical. At the first put the point. Well, now we have 4 points like that. The first number is 1 before the decimal point and the 35. The second number is 0 and there is 90 here. Third number is 1 and 48. Now we have 1 and 80. All of the number before the decimal point are the same or different?
Before the decimal point,
They are the same or different?
just the 0 point.
Only one is different. This number is greater than the other or smaller than the others?
Greater than the others.
0 is greater than 1.
No.
I said look at the number before this. So that will be the first number. That will be the first number. You understand it? Okay, that will be the first one. Then, خلاص, we'll finish. The next number will be?
Then the... What?
The next one.
Yeah. The next one is 1.80.
So now all of the number before the decimal point are the same because we cancelled 0. Now we have 3, 9, 4, and 8. Which one is the smallest one? 3, 9, 4, and 8. 35. So that would be the second one.
The
third.
And the third, 48.
48. The fourth.
And the fourth would be 80.
Yes. So the first number would be 0.90. The second is 1.35. The third is 1.48. The last one would be 1.80. Any problem for this question? If you didn't understand anything from this page, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand anything from this page, please raise your hand. Try to open your book, finish writing this part. You have the video. I will send the video so you can complete if you didn't complete. But the main point, if you didn't understand, please raise your hand. If you didn't understand this page, please raise your hand. Abdurrahman, you're just coming now. So you came late, so you have to listen until we finish. Just coming now. That's page 56. Open the book, page 56. Continue with us on the next pages, then you will understand. Okay. Abdurrahman?
Yes, mister.
Yes, what is the problem?
No, there is no problem. I just do number 2 and 3 and 4. I didn't do number 1.
Okay, no problem. You can watch the video after that, after we finish, because there is no enough time, because we don't have enough time to write. So you can watch the video and complete what is missing. I will send the video. Daily I'm sending the video, okay?
You send it.
I'm sending the video in Telegram. Sending the video in Telegram. Yes. Daily I'm sending the video in Telegram. Okay. So question number 5. Who can solve with me question number 5? If you can solve question number 5, please raise your hand. If you can solve question number 5, please raise your hand. I need another one. Only Malik. Assam.
Yes, question number 5.
We need to arrange from least to the greatest. I need the smallest number, then the greatest number.
Okay. So the least is 9. 9,000 or 100.
At the first, underline the digit, the number before the decimal point. Before the decimal point.
Number 1 is.
That is the number before the decimal point.
Oh,
they are the same or different?
98.75.
Yes, will be the smallest one. The second?
Smallest. The second smallest is 105.99.
Yes. The third will be?
114.99.
Perfect. That's number 3.
Teacher, can I do the next answer?
No, we need another one to solve. So the first one will be 98.75. Then we have 105.99. After that, 114.99. The next, I need another one. Yusuf. Question number 6. Question number 6. Yusuf.
Yes, mister.
Question number 6.
Okay.
At the first, we need to find the number before the decimal point. They are the same or different numbers? Different. So we need to find the smallest number.
99.8.
Yes. Then?
And then 101.
101.
Point 1.
Yes.
And then 110.5. Then 106.3.
Are you sure? Check your answer. I just write what you say. Check your answer. If the answer is right or wrong. Don't leave. Just wait. Check your answer if the answer is right or wrong. Don't leave. If the answer is right, are you sure that the answer is right?
Yes.
100%? Are you sure?
Wait, I want to check.
Check.
No,
99.8, and then 101.1, and then 106.3.
Yes, 106 is smaller than 110. So this would be the third number, and this would be the fourth number.
Thank you, Mr.
first-
Fortune.
Okay. Come. So the first number would be 99.8. After that, 101.1. The next is 106.3. After that, 110.5. So Malik would be the next one. Malik.
Yes,
Then
Mr.
Hamza, then Yusuf Khattabi. Malik, then Hamza, then Yusuf Khattabi. Now I
Yes,
need
Mr.
question number 7.
Yeah. So first one, we don't need any zeros.
Okay.
The smallest one is 4.2,
Yes.
and then 4.3, 6.0, 7.7.
Yes, thanks. Okay. So we need Hamza. Hamza. Question number 8.
Yeah.
Question number 8.
Number
There
8,
is yes, there is a lot of noise beside you.
178.3,
178.3, that's the first one.
then 346.5,
Yes, 178.
then 419.7,
Again,
then
please.
419.7,
Yes,
then
527.3.
27.3.
Thanks. Yusuf. Yusuf Khattabi.
Yes,
Question number 9.
Okay.
Hmm.
The first one is 3.4,
Yes,
and then 3.7,
yes,
and then 4.2,
yes.
and then 4.9.
Perfect. Thanks. Is there any problem for arranging, for ordering from the least to the greatest? Do you have any problem in ordering from least to the greatest? Do you have any problem for question number 5, from number 5 to number 9? Do you have any problem? If you have any problem, please raise your hand. If you have any problem from question number 5 to question number 9, please raise your hand. What is the problem?
Mister, can I just answer?
I'm asking now about the problem, ya Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, wallahi, I'm talking. I just ask you. If you have any question, please. Instead of wasting time, ya Abdurrahman, wallah. My question is, do you have any problem? If you have any problem, there is a time for solving question and time for asking you now. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. Do you have any problem? Okay. So now we need to solve the second part. If you need to solve, please raise your hand now. If you need to solve. Now we need to arrange or ordering the number from the greatest to the smallest to the least. I need the greatest number to the least number. So who can solve with me question number 10? If you can solve question number 10, raise your hand, please. If you can solve question number 10, raise your hand. So we have Abdurrahman. The next one will be Hamza. Abdurrahman, and the next one will be Hamza. The next will be Tamir. So Abdurrahman. Hamza. Tamir. Okay.
From the greatest to the least.
Yes.
Okay.
The greatest to the least. The greatest to the least. I need from the greatest number to the smallest number.
And one is 2.43.
2.43.
And 2.34.
2.34.
2.18.
2.18.
2.5.
2.5. Okay, thanks, Abdurrahman. We need Hamza. I need someone to solve question number 14. I didn't write any name.
But, which one?
Question number 11. I write your name here. I wrote your name.
11, 9.14,
9.14. I need from the greatest to the smallest. So 9.14, the greatest number.
and 9.02,
Yes, 9.02. Then
8.95,
8.95. Then
8.91,
8.91. The next
7.99,
7.99. Okay, thanks. So we need Muhammad Tamer. Where is Muhammad Tamer? Muhammad Tamer is not here. Maher, solve question number 13. Maher, question number 13. 13, number 13.
Heights of the tree in meters 9, 8, 10,
Hmm.
10.2, 9.6, 11.
So we need
What
to
do I-
arrange from the greatest to the smallest.
Oh,
From the greatest to the smallest.
9.6.
All right,
9.6.
9.6 is the greatest number. Hmm.
4.
What is the answer? You didn't give me anything. 9.6.
9.8.
The next is 9.8. We need to arrange from the greatest to the smallest. Hmm.
The next one is 10.
10.
The next one is 10.2.
10.2 or 10.
10.2.
10.2. Then
11.
11. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no 5. What is the last number?
I said 10.2.
We said 10.2.
But there's no 10 in here.
So I have to write 10 here?
No. In
So
middle
where?
of 90, 98 and 10.2.
That's not 98, then 9.8. 0.8. So I have to write 10 here?
Yeah.
It's mean 10. I need to arrange from the greatest to the least. The greatest number to the smallest number. It means the greatest number of all of these numbers is 9.6. That is the greatest number. And 11 is the smallest number. 11 is smaller than 10. 11 is smaller than 10. I need to write. So
It's bigger than 10.
So it means the order now is wrong. I need to arrange. Look at this one. I need to arrange from the greatest to the least. From the greatest to the least. I need the greatest number at the first, then the least at the end. The smallest number at the end. And the greatest number at the first.
11, 10, 11, 10, 10.2, 98, 96.
At the first will be 11. The next is 10.2. 10.2 is greater than 10. Then 9.8. After that is 9.6. Okay. Tamer, where's Tamer? There's no Tamer. Muhammad Tamer. Muhammad Tamer. Malik. Malik.
Yes, mister.
Question number 14.
Okay. 26.25, 26.2,
26.2. Just 1 minute. 26.2. The next.
26, point,
26.
25.8,
So the next 26.2, then 25.8.
No. Yes, 25.8.
I will write here the order. The first one is 26.2. That's right?
Yes.
The next one. If you can't arrange by this way, you can write it vertical. How we can write vertical?
Wait.
Just write the
wait.
decimal point under each other.
Okay.
So the first number is 25.4. At the first, put the decimal point vertical. The second is 26.2. The next is 26. The next is 25.8. The next is 27. How many decimal at the right of the how many digits at the right of the decimal? 1.
1.
So we need to complete all of them to have 1. So put 0. Yes.
0.
Now we need to arrange.
So now the biggest is 27.0.
That will be the biggest one. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. The next. You understand? By this way, you can write it vertical. Just put the point. Then we can arrange. Compare the numbers before the decimal at the first. Then after that, compare the number after the decimal.
And then 25. Then 26.2.
Yes. 26.2.
26.0.
Yes.
25.8.
Yes.
25.4.
Yes. Thanks. So we'll write that here. The first number is, we have here, the first number is 27. The next will be 26.2. After that, 26. Then we have here 25.8. The last one will be 25.4. Muhammad Tamer, there is no Muhammad Tamer. So Abdul Rahman will solve with me question number 12, then Turkey. Turkey will solve the next page. Turkey will solve the next page. I don't know where is Muhammad Tamer. Yes, question number 12. Can you wait, Abdul Rahman? You can solve with me the next page because you solved question number 10, but Turkey didn't solve. So we can solve. Turkey, can you solve this one? Turkey?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No, I don't want to solve. I want to tell you a thing.
What?
Mr. Maher is grade 4, not grade 5 with us.
So what's the problem?
He's grade 4. How he come here?
So that what's the problem? Can you solve it now? You are in grade 5. That's right. Turkey. So who can solve with me question number 12? Number 12. Hamza, you solve. I need another one who didn't solve. I need another one. Walid didn't solve. Okay. Walid.
Okay. Yes.
Question number 12.
We will put the first one is 86 and decimal point 100. We will put it the first.
86. That will be the first one. 86.
Yes.
0.347. Okay, that's the first one.
The second one is 78.
Yes. 78.432. Yes. The next.
And then 67 and 534. 43.
67.543. Then.
And then 43. Yeah, and then the decimal point and 789.
Yes, the last one will be
43 and decimal point and 678.
Yes, perfect. So the last one will be 34.678. Okay, thanks. Is there any problem for this page? Is there any problem for this page? Do you have any problem? The last part here? Will not have enough time. Just 1 minute, because I have another session. So I need you to solve. I will send the homework now to the group. Google form, just you can go through the Google form and solve the question. I will send the homework now to the Google form. And I need you to solve from question number 1 to question number 4. Solve from question number 1 to question number 4, and the next lesson, inshallah, we'll just write the answers. It will not take just 2 minutes, and I will send the homework to the Google form now, to the Telegram group. Okay? So I will open one by one. Yusuf Khattabi? Yusuf?
I was raising my hand from the
You want
the
to answer?
page we
Okay.
did it because yes.
Okay, no problem, because no time now to solve. Just 1 minute. Okay, thanks. So who else? Abdurrahman?
No, Mister, I don't. But Mister, this page number 59 or 58?
59. I need you to solve page 59, and I will send the homework on
Just
the
59?
group. 59, and I will send the homework to the Telegram group now. Just a link. You can go open the link and solve the question.
Okay.
Okay?
Telegram.
On Telegram now, yes.